When you're logged into Printerpoint, your customers are going to be listed down the left side of the screen. And under each of these customers are the printers that you manage at that site. If you click on the customer name itself, you'll be brought to the agents page for that customer. Now, the Printerpoint agent listed here is a small piece of software that's responsible for monitoring the printers at that site. There's a variety of ways to get the Printerpoint agent installed on your customer's local network. If we look at this new customer, you'll notice there aren't any agents installed yet. And if we click the download button, you'll see a couple options here. If you're at the customer's site or remoted into one of their computers, you can select Install Agent on this computer and the installer will start up. You can also send your customer a link to the installer and have them install the Printerpoint agent for you. They'll be brought to a customized web page that's unique to them and branded with your company logo, explaining what the Printerpoint agent is and how to install it. When they download the installer, they won't need to configure anything. The agent will install and show up in Printerpoint automatically. Another key aspect to the Printerpoint agent is that you can install as many as you'd like at a customer site. Having multiple agents provides redundancy in the event that a host computer is shut down or goes offline for any reason. Once the agent is installed, it's going to show up here under the Installed Agents section. You can click the Scan button to search the network for supported printers, which will then be listed down below. You can select Manage on those printers that you're responsible for, or hit Manage All, and you're off to the races.